Creating eye-catching visuals is crucial for standing out on social media, but resizing and redesigning the same image for every platform can be a frustrating time sink. What if you could design just once and still look polished everywhere? This guide will show you how to streamline your design process and save hours of work. You'll learn how to create a single master image and quickly adapt it for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, X, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, without sacrificing visual quality or brand consistency. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or small business owner, let's dive in and make your content look great everywhere. First, let's go to Pixel Hunter. You'll find the link in the description. Once on the page, we'll see the platforms it supports and the button to upload our image. Select the site from which you'll upload your image. Uploading a good quality image is best. The recommended formats are JPEG and PNG. In a matter of seconds, this site sizes the image for any of the most common social networks. Now your image is ready for Facebook, Instagram, X, or TikTok. You can even use them on other networks with the same or similar size. We just have to download it. And just like that, in less than 5 minutes, we have our image ready. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful information. I'm Mr. Cat. See you later.